Happy Friday, my friends, and welcome back to another work from home job lead video. I hope everyone is gearing up to have a fabulous weekend with your friends and family. But before we get into the weekend, I have 7 non-phone work from home job leads for you. Today is just non-phone Friday over here on this channel. Of course, the links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. And please, if you find any of these job leads helpful, give this video a thumbs up like button. That does give me direct feedback that I am being helpful to someone. And of course, share with all your friends and family so that we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life, having that work-life balance. Starting off, first up, we have Reforge hiring a member support contractor. Now, just because it is a support role, it does not necessarily mean it is a phone, and this one is non-phone. They are looking for people to support 2 critical pieces of work: application review and member inquiries through email. So this role is basically reviewing applications against set criteria and helping the contractor as needed and with their simple questions that they submit through email. Now, some of those questions could be offerings, pricing, or just general questions. Now, this does offer a little bit of a flexible schedule. They're looking for someone who has excellent written and verbal communication skills, someone who has the ability to be a problem solver with a wide range of member challenges. Now, you need to have the availability of Monday through Thursday at 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Pacific time. Remaining hours outside of that are flexible. So a total of 20 hours a week are flexible, and this is a contract temporary position running from mid-February through the end of April. We are already at February 3rd, so get those applications in. This is for my United States folks only. Real quickly, a few things to note. All of these positions are for my United States folks only. And just a reminder, I don't work for any of these companies. I simply share what I find online. So outside of the information included in these, I don't have any additional information. Moving right along, the Public Health Institute is an independent nonprofit organization dedicated to promoting health, well-being, and quality of life throughout California. Now, they are hiring an administrative assistant, although they are hiring nationwide within the United States. As an administrative assistant, you'll route and track agreement signatures and ensure each agreement is fully executed by authorized signers. You'll draft and send correspondence to internal and external parties. You'll dispatch purchase orders in the PeopleSoft software as needed. You'll assist the CRA team with data entry and maintenance in the Salesforce system as well as the PeopleSoft system. You'll assist with distributing letters to outside parties, and you'll work with technical support to identify and analyze root causes of user issues. Now, they are looking for someone who has 4 years of administrative or contracts management experience and someone who has a high school diploma or equivalent. Outside of that, they need someone who has great organizational skills, can be a multitasker, great problem-solving skills, great written communication skills, and the ability to work independently. Now, they do pay very well if that is you. Full pay range is anywhere from $24.59 an hour on the low end, all the way up to $34.62 an hour on the high end. And they say they typically pay the mid-range of around about $29.60 to start out. Now, does everyone know the gas station Sheetz? If you do, they're hiring a social media coordinator. This is a temporary position. It is for remote candidates only living in 7 states. They are listed right here. But as a social media coordinator, you'll assist in managing all of Sheet's social media platforms with multiple daily updates, including uploading photos, sharing blog links, and recruiting updates. You'll also assist in the development of social media content calendar, deciding what to post when. You'll help assist in developing, brainstorming, and implementing a comprehensive social media strategies, including incentives and giveaways. You get to help come up with giveaways for sheets. That just sounds too cool to me. You will assist with the development of recruiting marketing materials and advertise on their social media page the job opportunities that they have available. Now, of course, they prefer someone who has a bachelor's degree or is working towards a bachelor degree in marketing or communications. They are looking for someone who has great editing and proofreading skills, strong skills in Microsoft Office, and is great with all the social media things like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Moving right along, we have the company Text Us. They are looking for a product trainer or e-learning developer. So this means developing training materials. Now, Text Us delivers self-paced online courses that train their customers on how to successfully implement and use their products. They are looking for someone to develop and maintain these online training courses and materials for their software platform, including making self-guided tutorials, interactive e-learning, supporting a customer onboarding, end-user education, and product adoption. You'll manage and maintain their learning management system, which is LMS for Learning Management System. We use LMS where I work as well. You'll create training videos for their software platform, including writing the video scripts, recording the screen captures, editing, and adding voiceovers. So basically what I'm doing here on this channel, my face is not on there other than on the thumbnails. You literally are just working with the screen and a microphone. You'll collaborate with subject matter experts across the company to gain a deep understanding of their products to make the processes simple. Now, they are looking for someone who has 3 years experience in creating some kind of online training videos. If you have some kind of YouTube experience, I would include that in your resume for this. Experience scripting or producing or editing videos, someone who has the ability to grasp technical concepts, someone who has great verbal and written communication skills, great organizational skills, and problem-solving skills. Now, this one does pay fairly well. It's anywhere from $65,000 a year all the way up to $80,000 a year. Now, on top of that, they do offer a standard benefit package that includes health, dental, vision, 401k, paid time off. They also provide cell phone and internet reimbursement up to $100 a month, and they give you a one-time $1,000 to get your home office set up. So even if they don't provide the computer equipment for you, with $1,000, you can buy your own computer. Next up, we have a truly data entry job. Now, this one is a temporary contractor role, but Civic Plus is hiring a data entry operator. Now, this is remote. It says nationwide within the United States. It does not look like they have any state restrictions, but they are looking for someone to work on the execution of inbound lead cleaning to the handoff of their sales team. You'll maintain the integrity of their CRM database, ensuring the information stays up to date and accurate. You'll continue to add data to their pool of accounts and contracts for their sales team to prospect via targeted data acquisition, and then you'll assign accounts and create leads for the account managers. They are looking for someone who already has a working knowledge of Salesforce or some CRM system that is similar to that, someone who has an understanding of qualified leads, someone who can do research and identify information for account and contract creation. Now, this is a 1099 independent contractor role. The contract length is through June 30th of 2023, and unfortunately, they did not list pay. You'll have to ask at the time of the interview. Next up, if you're looking for something a little bit different, ShareCare is hiring a freelance fact checker for nutrition. Now, I don't know about y'all, but I am big on nutrition and fitness here lately. The older I get, the more I start to research things like that. It was never an interest of mine before, but for some reason, our preferences change over the years. But that is something you are into. They are looking for a freelance contractor to help ensure that the nutrition information across the ShareCare products that they are sharing is accurate and up to date. The fact checker will work directly with the medical review team that handles a different types of content, including articles, slideshows, videos, and question and answers. So this is a part-time role, and the hours are flexible, but you must give a minimum of 5 hours per week. Now, it does say hourly rate is dependent on experience, so they do not have that published in the job description, but they're basically looking for you to review copies of videos related to health, nutrition, fitness, or other topics, and verify that the content is accurate and up to date. You'll review sources and research citations to provide alternatives if necessary, and you'll suggest edits and changes if it is not correct. Now, it doesn't actually say that they require a degree. This says they prefer a bachelor degree in nutrition or related field. However, they do want someone who's a registered dietitian. So I'm assuming being a registered dietitian will require a degree. So just know that this requires some kind of a bachelor degree. They're looking for someone who has a background in nutrition, who is great with Microsoft Office, and who has a prior experience reviewing or editing documents. And last but not least, we have the company Splice hiring a catalog manager. Now, again, this is remote within the United States. But they are looking for someone to basically upload and assign descriptive tags to a wide range of creative assets of release on Splice Sounds, including audio samples, VST presets, and MIDI files. You'll collaborate with fellow team members to cross-function stakeholders to make sure launch day goes smooth on new content. You'll perform a quality review of both incoming and existing content from third parties to make sure they're adhering to Splice's guidelines. You'll provide technical feedback to both internal and external stakeholders, and you'll build and maintain processes to track the content pipeline. Now, they do require 3 years of relevant work experience in some kind of music production. If someone has an understanding of audio processing, a familiarity using audio samples, MIDI, and virtual software plugins. So if you've been a DJ or something before, this might be right up your alley. Someone who has a wide knowledge of musical instruments, a comprehensive understanding of music genres. Of course, you've got to be organized and self-motivated. Now, if you have a musical background, this job pays extremely well. Of course, pay is always dependent on location and experience, but this one starts out anywhere from $82,500 a year all the way up to $107,500 a year. If you've made it to the end of this video with me, I want to say thank you so much for hanging with me through all that. I know I can get long-winded through some of these. I hope you have a fabulous weekend. Of course, as always, if these job leads were not for you, that is okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. You can leave any education and experience that you have, because I am always reading those and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.